Veritas et Justitia, truth and justice. You are arriving at the courthouse in downtown town. And at the base of this prominent statue, you will see the words Veritas Et Justitia, which means truth and justice. And it may well be a symbolism for the social climate of 2024. The world has seen many turning points in its history, and that is because life is dynamic and change is inevitable. But the change that really works is good change. Change that means growth and progress for a society that waited a long time for it. This also leads us to the Lord Learner Game question for this Tuesday. And it is this: if the turning points in government is directed by a deity, who gets the credit? Who gets the credit? Friends, do let me hear from you. Remember, life has a rhythm, and the beat goes on. Do remember also to subscribe, like, and share.